loads and loads and loads. So a banana goes up to them.
A banana goes up to them?
Yes.
What is the ladybugs?
It's a joke.
Oh, that's a funny joke. You're so funny. You really are.
I see the church from over here.
You can. One of them, I think there's 3 you can see. There's our house, is behind there.
That's behind them trees.
Yeah.
When there was a house in the middle of a tree.
A house in the middle of a... Look, there's more ladybugs there. Lots of them here. Thank you, baby. I love it. Put it in my bag, okay?
Thank you.
Aw, I love you.
There's loads of ladybugs.
Loads! Come on, let's leave the ladybugs now. There's so many of them, isn't there?
Yeah. We were speaking about ladybugs. We can see loads of them.
We can. Lots of ladybugs, ladybugs, ladybugs.
See if you can't
Oh.
step on one.
Yeah, we don't want to step on them, do we?
Nope. See, if you see ladybugs, don't step on it.
No, don't step on anything. There's a house. It's over there. I don't think you can see it from here. There.
Oh,
But
I can
it's
see Linda's
just behind there.
I see Linda's house.
Yeah.
I saw Linda's house at my house.
Did you know?
Yeah, I saw a house.
Cool. It is just over there.
Yep. Papa-doos.
Papa-doos.
Come and get your bottles.
Come and get you what?
Bottles.
Bottles?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's clouds, Mum.
It is. It's very pretty. It's like pink, isn't it?
I said come get your clouds.
Oh, come and
Not
get your
bottles.
clouds. Come and get your clouds. Fluffy, fluffy clouds. You can sit on them and lay on them and boing and nom. And
it's your own bed. You can even stand on one.
you can boing up and down. They're bouncy. You can bounce up and down on them, lay on them, sleep on them, sit on them, float around on them.
You actually do that.
Magical clouds.
And you actually do that.
In your imagination, you can do anything, right?
He's joking you.
You can do it wherever you want in your imagination. Look, little hedgehogs on trees. That's what Neo used to call them. He used to call them conch nuts, even though they're
What's behind? Yeah.
they are. You can eat them. Are they? Yeah, they're not. Oh no, they're not. They're conkers. Sorry, I can't remember. I don't know if they're horse chestnuts or conkers. Conkers.
Look, Mum.
The moon.
A giant one.
It is. Well, you can see the whole of the moon. You see the whole of the moon. You can actually see the whole of the moon, but only half of it is actually showing. That's crazy.
Because it's a banana one.
It's a banana. It certainly is a banana moon. Yes, darling.
I always call them yems. I call them yems.
You call them thems?
Yep.
Banana moons.
I
Isn't
call
it?
them.
Perfect name. Banana
I
moons.
call them that, Mum. You remember when I saw that moon the
Yeah.
other day? I saw it and wow, it's a banana moon. Wow, I didn't know there was a banana moon in this village.
You didn't know there was a banana moon in the village?
Yeah.
Ah, there is though, right?
Yep.
That's good. Right, so always be
Kind.
And
Always be kind.
that's right.
Peace out.
Brilliant.